Today I am going to show you how to use a clothespin. For this activity, I am going to introduce two new words. They are squeeze and release. For this activity, we need one bowl with the clothespin and one empty bowl. This is a clothespin. For holding this clothespin, I am using thumb finger, index finger and middle finger. While pressing these three fingers, we call it as squeeze. While opening these three fingers, we call it as release. Squeeze, release. Let's do the activity. Squeeze, release. Squeeze, release. Squeeze, release. Empty. Let's put back our work. Squeeze, release. Squeeze, release. Squeeze, release. This activity helps to improve child's three-finger grasp, concentration, coordination and independence. The variation of this activity is children can use papers and clothes. Thank you.